Hi everyone. Last video we are covered equipment modeling. In this video we will cover all the nozzle orientation D1201 equipment. We will create the nozzles based on this sample project. This one is a let's erase this one. This one is a main hole. We'll create the main hole. This one is a short direction main hole. We will create this one main hole. The name of the nozzle is M1. Main hole. The length of the nozzle is 230 plus 380 and temperature and pressure they are not given. And here M1 nozzle, they are given M1 nozzle 450 size and 300 rating for main hole, service for main hole. Create here one main hole. Here being on the equipment, we create the nozzle. Being on the nozzle, here we give the name M1 nozzle and NC 300. We'll create a NC nozzle. Then rating is 300 rating because here given the 300 rating. 300 rating. Then 300 rating, 40 bore and 610 height. 610 height. 610 height because here they are given nozzle space to 230 plus 380. How much? 610. 610 here. Height of the nozzle. Then 610 here. Then create nozzle. Axis over here only. Then go to graphics, select graphics and cursor here. I am already selected. Then go to not to sort direction. We want to create sort direction. How much head of the nozzle? 610. 610. Then enter. Here the align with sort direction. Facing towards sort direction. Sort direction. Then enter. It will create it here. Then go to next. We created M1 nozzle. Then second one nozzle is N1 nozzle from here to here for 508 distance and M1 N1 nozzle 880 size and 300 rating RF right phase for feeding. Here we will see here how it's look from third direction. N1 nozzle, N1, N2, N3 nozzle. From the south direction we are seeing from here to here height they are given 800 nozzle height. Taken distance also. Distance 508 and height is 800. So here we will give here N1 nozzle, N1 nozzle NC. Then rating is how much rating? They are given N1 nozzle rating 300. All are 300 rating only 80. The size of the nozzle is 80. Then go to here 80. We select 80. Then height 800. They are already given 800. Go to next. Then north direction means north direction. How much is this? 530. 530. 530. One here 508. Sorry. 508. 508 distance. Then go to here 508. 508. Then up direction is 800. Then enter. It will create and align with up. Here they are given up direction. We will create here. They are given up here. Up align with means align the direction, upward direction. They are given from here to here 508. We are given 508 then align with up direction, then 508, then align with up direction, it is created. Then second nozzle is, then second from here to here they are given N2 nozzle. N2 nozzle is same, I think. Size is 80, then rating 300. N2 80, size is 80, 300 rating. They are given N2 same position. They are given N2 and 4 at the same position. Then we will give offset here 3832. 3832. Then go to model. Then say here. Then next here we select the N1 nozzle. Then go to home, copy offset nozzle. How much nozzle distance is there? Offset in y direction only. Y direction how much is there? 3832. We'll give here 3832 with y is positive here. We given the positive here. Apply. It will create it here. Return created copies. Yes. Then don't cancel here because already one more nozzle is there. One more nozzle is already here. Then this nozzle is N4 nozzle. N4 nozzle on the same position but 230. 230 offset from N2 to N3 is 230 offset. So for N4 rating will change. 40 size, only size are changing, rating are same. We will modify the later. First of all, we create here offset means 230 is there. Go to here, then select current element. It will create it here. Why? How much is there? 230. 230. Then enter. Then apply. It will create it here. Return copy yes. Cancel here. Then go to here. M1 we are already created. N1 we are already created. Then N2. N2 this is a rename. N4 nozzle. N4 nozzle, then enter, then apply, then cancel. Then here this one is a N3 nozzle, right now? N3 nozzle. This one is a N3 nozzle. This one is a N2, sorry, N2 nozzle. This one is N2 nozzle, N2, then okay, then apply, then cancel N2 nozzle, then go to N4, go to here equipment, then modify option is there. So if you want to modify modify the nozzle, go to the nozzle, go to equipment, then go to create. This one is a create option and this one is a modify option. This is a modify here. They are given modify. So we will modifying the nozzle, not a creating a nozzle. So go to the modify. So go to modify. Then select here modify nozzle. Then already the name are given 80. The board size is 40 mm. Here they are given 40 mm. Here they are given 40 mm. And for is and for 40 mm they are already given. Okay. Then go to model. Then create here 45. Then next nozzle will be changed here. Then here one more nozzle is there. Back side, bottom side one more nozzle is there. Go to the framework model. Okay. Then go to bottom side. There is a one nozzle is there and three nozzle at the side. They are here given the 800 height. 800 height of the nozzle. 800 they are given. Then side from here they are taken from position here, from here to here, and three nozzles is 360 plus this one 360 plus 4210. So we can create by mirror copy offset, or otherwise we will again create the nozzle. I will do mirror of the N4 nozzle, then we will I will modify the nozzle, then copy offset. So model, this one I already selected. Go to sort direction, auto sort direction. Here already nozzle is there. Then go to home, copy rotation, select cursor, not cursor, design point. So just move here up to here. Cursor, design point, select the center of the circle and direction north to down, 180 degree angle, 180 degree I want, 180 degree. Then okay, then apply. It will create it here. Yes, then cancel it. Then go to east direction. How much is there? Just look. Go to modify equipment. Go to modify nozzle. Nozzle name is N4. Then NC 300. N4 nozzle size is N4 is already there. So this one is a N3. N3 what? N3 100. The size is 100. They are given 100 size here. 100. Okay, here. Then go to model. Then modify here 100. Then 100. Then size is height is 80 mm. Then 4570 from here. Our position is from here side is there. So how much is the distance? So we will calculate 410 plus 360. So go to model Q. What is the value? Q 4210 plus 42 space Q after the space 4210 space, then shift plus, then 320 360, then 360, then enter 4570. 4570 already is there here only. 4570, then 800 down. 800 down means from we are taken from 00 from here, then from here to down side is 80 mm. Then next we have created one nozzle, then go to again nozzle. This one is a N5 nozzle. N5 nozzle. This one is a N5 nozzle, N6 and N7 here. N6 and N7 here. How we will find out which nozzle is there? Show both side. Here they are given. This one is a N6. This one is a N6 nozzle. This one is a they are given N7. N7 here. So remaining is N5. So this is our N5 nozzle. N6 and N7 is already here. Then we will go to here. Okay, N5 nozzle. Let's check what is the rating and facing. N5, N6 size are same and rating also same. N5 550, N6 50, N7 50. These all are 300 rating only. So we will 360 offset, copy and offset 360 degree, 360 distance. Go to here model. Then already we are selected. Then go to home, copy offset. The nozzle name is N5. 360. Then enter minus. Minus. Here is a given minus. Y is a minus direction. Then select minus. Then apply. Here we'll create it, yes, then cancel, go to equipment, already we are selected N5 nozzle, then go to modify nozzle, then new they will open. This is a N5 nozzle, then NC 300 rating LB means 50 is there, 50, then 800 rating, 800 distance, and also they are given 4210, 42 they are given from 1 here to here, 4210 already is there, so we will want, then go to next, we are created the nozzle, okay. Then here two nozzles are offset here, two nozzles are offset, this one N7 and N6 are offset. It's looking, if we are looking from short, it look like a this one direction here. So N6 and N7, then offset is 530 is there, 530 up, 530 down, we will do. Then go to the model, already we are selected the same direction, go to the north direction or otherwise south direction where it is looking, okay, north, because here is we have created support, that's why it's not visible. Go to no N5 nozzle and home, copy rotation, then select cursor design point, then select the center of the equipment here, then give 90-degree, then apply, yes, then cancel, then go to north direction, here already is there 90 direction, then go to equipment, modify, here is a 0 direction, we should up to 550, 530 is there, go to modify the nozzle, then nozzle name is, upper nozzle is, upper nozzle they are given N6, then go to N6 nozzle, N6, then enter NC 300 50 mm bore, 300 rating, 80 head or same, and go to by up to 530, 530, okay. Here they are given 530 up direction only, here 530 they are given, so go to model, then 530 up, it is created here, okay. Then height of the nozzle is I think more, so we will reduce, otherwise they are given the model, they are not given the height from here surface to here, they are not given, they are not given distance here, how much height of the nozzle, so we are assume 800 only, so then go to the model, then again next here, okay, then being on this nozzle, being on the nozzle, then go to home, copy offset, then minus, here 0, then here 530 plus 530, how much, q space 530 space shift plus 530, 530, then enter 1060, 1060, by down 1060 minus 1060, then enter, then apply, it will create here, right, yes, then cancel here, because why I take 1060 means here given from our nozzle is here presently, from here to here distance is 530 plus 530 means 1060, so here we are created nozzle all those things. Okay, then save here or save, are you sure? Yes. Then give the position of D1201 equipment being on the model, being on the equipment D1201. Present check the axis where it is located. Then command is axis at C. Then enter. Axis is here only. Then go to the home already is there. Move position. How much position is there? There here 00 is there. So we will give the position. Go to the side. Then here. Okay. Yeah. Here they are given north direction. D1201 north value is 294502. Just keep here north value 29 294502 294502 4502 4502. Then enter. Then west value they are given here. Both the west value 312370. 312370. 312370. 312370. 312370. Okay. Then elevation, here they are given the elevation here they are given. D12301 elevation is 106170. 106170. 106. Oh sorry, here we should give 312370 here. Then here 106170. 106170 best value also given. Once again check, cross check. 312370. Okay, best value is there, not value we are given. Then elevation also we are given. Then go to model. Okay, then apply. Then cancel. Our equipment their position is, we are given the position. Look down. Go to this set. In position. We have created equipment D1201 on the site. We will check. This one we are given the position of the equipment. We have created one equipment with nozzle orientation. Then next part we will complete this model cracking tower. Cracking tower. Next video I will cover. This one is a cracking tower is there with nozzles are there also, copy offset, copy rotation nozzles more are there. They are given the here north direction. We will create this model in next video. Okay, thank you very much.